In this recording, I'm going to show you how to create a new style. You will notice most of my assignment sheet have a certain style across the top of the sheet, so I'm going to actually create that. So I'm going to go just up to the header, and just so that you can see what it's doing when I'm actually creating it, I will put some text in. So I'm just going to say Word assignment 4, just to give you an idea. So what I want to do is I want to create a brand new style. I'm going to go to my Home tab, and I'm actually going to come to the drop down button for the gallery, and you'll see Create Style. I'm going to call this Assignment Heading. And then Modify. Now the style type for this is going to be a paragraph style, which means that it will be applied to the entire paragraph no matter where I am in the paragraph. So I don't have to select the entire paragraph, I just have to click in there, click on the style, and it will apply the style to the entire paragraph. The style is going to be based on normal, so I'm going to change this to where it's saying header to normal. So, and I just want normal, not normal indent, normal web, and because this is not alphabetical, normal is probably closer to the top because it's one of the usual headings. And then style for the following paragraph means once you press your enter key, what do you want to happen? Most times you do want it to go back to normal. So I'm going to change my formatting, so my font is Comic Sans. My size is 18. These are my standards that I use on the assignments. I'm going to make it bold. I'm also going to center it. And then I also want a border on there. So you'll notice there's no option in here for the border. So I have to go to Format. And then from there, Border. And I'm going to scroll down till I find the border that I usually use. And I don't want it all around my heading. I just want it on the bottom. So I'll click None, and then I'll click the bottom border and click OK. And I'm not sure if you noticed that. Sorry. Notice that this says apply to paragraph as well. So you want to make sure that's not saying apply to character or selected text. I'm going to click OK. So you'll see this is a preview of what my style will look like. Sometimes you want some space after that as well. So if I go into my format and paragraph, I can make sure I have a space after, and I do want mine to be single space, so I'm making it single with an 8-point space after, and click OK. You'll notice at this point I've said only in this document. So what that means is it's going to show up in my gallery on this document, but when I start a brand new document, it will not be available in my gallery. And you will notice when I go to my styles and make sure they're all on, so I'm going to choose all styles and alphabetical and OK. Remember that was called assignment heading, so that should be right up here at the very top, and it's not there because I didn't ask it to go on any of the new documents based on this template. So I'm going to close this window. And this time I'm going to modify my style, and I'm going to tell it to show up in new documents based on this template, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click a new document. I'm now in a new document. You'll see there it is in the gallery, and you'll also see there it is in my styles listing, because I've now added it to any of my new documents that I've started based on the normal template. So you'll always see this show up, and I can use it whenever I want. So if I go up here and I'm making this Word Assignment 5, I just have to go to my Home tab, hit the assignment heading, and it automatically applies it. So that's the great thing about using a style. It's like a macro. It will quickly apply formatting with just one click.